Your main image might be the reason you are not getting enough sales. On Amazon, maybe you are showing up in search results, but ever wonder why no one is clicking? Most of the time, it comes down to your main image. It's not grabbing attention. So, even though you are showing up in search, you are basically invisible. And here is the thing, most sellers don't even realize this mistake. Just looking good isn't enough to get clicks. A lot of people think my image looks fine, so the problem must be something else. That's where they go wrong. So how do you actually know if your main image is the problem? It's actually pretty simple. You need to check your search query performance report. Alright, so go to your search query performance report. Now, look at two key metrics, impression and click-through rate. Step 1. Find keywords where you are getting high impressions. That means your product is showing up in search results. Step 2. Check the CTR for the same keywords. If your impressions are high but your CTR is low, that's your red flag. Because people are seeing your product but they are not clicking. And on Amazon, the first thing they see is your main image. So if they are not clicking, your main image is not doing its job. So here is the rule. High impression plus low CTR is equal to main image problem. So you need to fix your main image first. And how do you do that? Alright, so here is your main image hack. Strategy 1 is called visual match, and honestly, this one is underrated. Here's the main idea. When someone types a keyword into Amazon, they already have a mental picture of what they want to see. Your image needs to match that picture instantly. For example, someone searches organic supplement, they scroll through results, one product has a dark bottle, nothing on it. The other one is green, clean, fresh looking. It just looks organic. So which one gets clicked? Obviously the green one, every time. Not because it's better, but because it looks like what the person was looking for. Your brain scans for relevance before it reads anything. So your colors, your visual style, your overall look, it all needs to say yes. This is exactly what you search for. Now, does this affect your SEO ranking? No. But it affects whether humans click on you. And humans are the ones buying. Strategy 2, and this is where I see so many listings fail. Most sellers take a photo of their product on white background and they call it done. That's not main image, that's a product photo. Your main image needs to communicate, not just display. Now, for example, you are selling a cookie baking tray. If you just show the tray by itself, it's just a metal tray. But if you show it with freshly baked cookies on it, now instantly people understand the size, the quantity, the use, they get it immediately. So ask yourself, does my image explain my product or does it just show it? Because explanation drives click, showing alone doesn't. Alright, now come to the strategy number 3, and this one is a hidden weapon that not enough sellers use. Show your packaging. I know that sounds simple, but your packaging is actually doing a lot of work for you without you realizing it. Think about what packaging communicates. It shows professionalism, it tells the buyer what's inside, it signals quality and trust. You can add key benefits right on the box. Even if your product is something really simple, packaging instantly make it look more premium. It adds context. And if your product doesn't have packaging, no problem, get creative. Use image prop, like this example, show a liquid splash, show the ingredients, show something that makes it feel premium even without a box. Alright, so the goal is the same. Make the shopper feel like it's a quality product worth clicking on. Strategy 4. If your product comes with multiple items, show all of them. If you sell a trimmer that comes with 3 different attachments and a carry case, lay it all out. Show every single piece. Why? Because more items visible is equal to more perceived value. The shopper looks at your image and thinks, wow, I am getting all of that. That's a good deal. And perceived value drives clicks. Always. If you only show the main product and hide the accessories, you're literally leaving value on the table that could have been converting people to click. Strategy 5. Variations. If your product comes in multiple colors or sizes, show them. Here's the thing, when a shopper is scrolling and they see a product that only shows one color, they assume that's the only option. And if the color isn't what they want, they move on. But here image shows all colors together. The shoppers immediately see their preferred option. No extra effort, no guesswork, and that ease of decision making leads directly to more clicks. Less effort for the shopper is equal to high CTR for you. Simple as that. Strategy 6. Color. Look, when your product is on white background next to 20 other products on a white background, color is what makes you pop. A bold color, a strong contrast against white, it stops the scroll. It grabs the eye before the brain even decides to look. It doesn't mean make your image loud and messy. It means be intentional about the color you are presenting. If everything around you is beige and muted, a clean, vibrant product image is going to pull attention every single time. Now, last strategy, and this one is so simple and so many people get it wrong. If you're selling a 12-pack, show a 12-pack, not one item. When a shopper sees one item on your image and you are selling 12 items, they assume it's one. They look at the price, they think it's expensive for one item and move on. But the second they see a stack, a pile, all 12 of them together, the price makes sense. The value is obvious and the click happens. So quantity visible means value visible, and that means more clicks. Alright, so if your listing is getting traffic but not converting, that's not your product. It's how your product is being perceived. And that's exactly what most sellers ignore. Because they focus on ranking but forget that ranking means nothing if you can't convert. Alright, so don't just make your listing look better, make it perform better. So if you want your image perform better, we Ecom Clips can help you with that. This is some of the images you are seeing right now, and if you want your image look similar like that, feel free to mail us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll back to you ASAP. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, then like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.